Inubos niya lahat ng nasa plato niya. He ate everything on his plate. Ilang beses kang kumakain sa isang araw? How many times do you eat in a day? Kumakain siya habang nanonood ng TV. He is eating while watching TV. Kumain na lang tayo sa bahay. Let's eat at home instead. Ano ang gusto mong kainin ngayon? What do you want to eat today? Gustong-gusto naming kumain ng sabay. We love eating together. Huwag kang kumain ng nakahiga. Don't eat while lying down. Kumain tayo pagkatapos magsimba. Let's eat after going to church. Kaya mo bang kainin ang ganitong klaseng pagkain? Can you eat this kind of food? Maghahanda ako ng pagkain para makakain tayo. I'll prepare food so we can eat. Saan mo gustong kumain? Where do you like to eat? Parang ilang araw siyang hindi kumain. It's like he hasn't eaten for days. Wala akong ganang kumain. I'm not in the mood to eat. Maaga kaming kumain ngayon. We ate early today. Hindi ako makakain ng maanghang. I can't eat spicy food. Mahilig siyang kumain ng prutas. She likes eating fruits. Hindi maganda ang sobrang pagkain. Eating too much is not good. Naghahanap ako ng matamis na pagkain. I'm craving something sweet to eat. Huwag mong kalimutang kumain. Don't forget to eat. Ayaw niyang kumain ng gulay. He doesn't want to eat vegetables. Pwede ko bang kainin ito? Can I eat this one? Nakalimutan kong kumain ng almusal. I forgot to eat breakfast. Pwede ko bang kainin ito ng nakakamay? Can I eat this with my hands? Kakainin ko kung ano man ang iluto mo. I'll eat whatever you cook. Hindi maganda sa katawan mo ang matatamis. Sweets are not good in your body. Natututo ng kumain ng bata. The baby is now learning to eat. Minsan, mas gusto kong kumain mag-isa. Sometimes, I want to eat alone. Marami kaming kinain sa handaan. We eat a lot at the party.